What's up, everyone? How's it going? You're looking good today. What's up? How's it going? My name's Dylan. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. If you haven't met me yet, hello, my name's Dylan. I talk about Uber and Lyft all day, and I'm a driver for Uber and Lyft. And today we're talking about money, one of my favorite topics in the world, and something that controls our lives is money, right? Every single conversation that you probably have well, I don't know, maybe not every single one, but our lives are literally governed by money. What you can buy, where you can live, who you can live with, what you can do in your life. So today I wanted to share with you guys some ways that I make money and some ways that I recommend for Uber and Lyft drivers to increase your earnings as a driver. This is super important. The ways I'm going to be talking about are, they're going to sound simple, but I'm going to break it down and tell you exactly how it works, because a lot of people they might see it, but they're not going to act. So I'm a very active person. I'm quick. I'm a hard worker, smart worker. I believe in working smarter, not harder. So that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. I think I have 5 or 6 ways on how to increase your earnings as an Uber and a Lyft driver. The very first way is through a company called Octopus. It's not a sponsored video at all, by the way. I just want to share this with you. Octopus is the first one. They send you a free tablet. It's really cool, and it's for your passengers to play games on, and the passengers don't have to pay either, so it's completely free for them. It's super fun, makes your rideshare driving experience much better. I've used it, and the passengers get in and they start playing games. It's not in their face. Well, it literally is in their face, but it's just a black screen and it says tap to play, and they don't have to tap to play if they don't want to, but they can if they want to, so it's there. And it increases your tips, but also Octopus pays you as a driver to keep that in your car, up to $100 extra per month. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. I'm gonna leave a link down below for you to check it out. The next one, I'll also leave a link for this one too, is called Cargo. It's a snack box. They send you free food. I mean, that's a no-brainer, and you get a free snack per day. So, hey, if you're hungry, you want some free food, download Cargo snack box, and you can make, some drivers actually say the top 10% of earners make $300 extra per month. That's a car payment right there, depending on what you drive. I know some of you guys are balling out with, I don't know, Chevrolet. I don't know what a nice car is. Maybe you're driving a Tesla. Your car payment is probably a little bit higher than $300 a month, but download Cargo. It's good. The next one's Stereo. This one's harder to get into. They have a 30-day waiting period. Yes, I know. You're gonna have to be patient for once in your life. I know you guys want things today, but this one is 30-day waiting period. They pay drivers, I think it's like $100 to $200 per month. Basically, it's an app that you play music on, and you're promoting small artists, and you get to listen to cool new music all the time, underground music, and your passengers will hear the songs, and you're just basically a music promoter, and you get paid to listen to music. Honestly, it's a no-brainer too. If you stack some of these up, guys, like I said, Octopus, that's $100 a month up to. Cargo, that's up to $300-400 a month. Stereo, another 100. That's like $500-600. We're almost talking about $1,000 extra per month. The next one is GetUpside. I use GetUpside daily. It's discounts on gas. I never pay full price for gas. A lot of people say, "Oh my gosh, Dylan, how do you get such bad gas mileage on this? Isn't that expensive?" I'm like, no, I use GetUpside. What the heck? Are you really not using GetUpside yet? Use GetUpside, guys. You get discounts on your gas. Are you seriously not using GetUpside yet? Download GetUpside, use my code, invite some of your friends. Yes, be that guy. You get discounts on your gas. I know in California, it's like $4 or $5 a gallon, not even joking. I pay more like $1 or $2 because I refer a lot of people. I'm that guy. But you can refer a few people. And even if you're not an Uber driver, sorry, my camera person just told me this, you don't have to be an Uber driver to use GetUpside. Anybody can do it. But obviously Uber drivers drive a lot, so they need gas. So that's why I say it's for Uber drivers. But anybody can do it, okay? So even you watching this, maybe you're on the fence about being an Uber driver, you've been thinking about it for 3 years, you can use GetUpside, okay? You know, now you're part of the game. And tell your grandma to sign up too. All right, the next one. This is a personal favorite of mine, but it's YouTube. You're watching this app right now. This is what I use to make extra money. How do I make extra money? I talk about my experience driving for rideshare. I started about 1 year ago, and I've been making some extra money. How? Through the ads. Maybe you had an ad before you watched this video. I get like 1 cent or something like that for every ad that's watched, and it adds up, you know, because there's a couple of you guys, so I get a couple cents. The next one is through Gig Mobile. Gig Mobile is a phone company. I actually use Gig Mobile. This is an iPhone 7. They sent me this, and it's $12.50 a week. So this one you have to pay for it, but it's $12.50 a week. So before this, I was paying upwards of $100 extra, $100 per month on my phone. And I know a lot of people still do. And it's like, why not use Gig Mobile? It's $12.50 a week. You can cancel at any time too. And it's like $1 down, I think. And yeah, so it's, and they send you a phone. And after 2 years, you get to keep the phone. So, and if you already have a phone, you can bring your own phone in, and then it's only like $10 a week or something. Don't quote me on those numbers. I'm sure they're like a newer company. They're probably going to change their pricing up a bit. So, yeah, but I use Gig Mobile, and it's awesome. Those are my main ways to increase your money. Another tip is doing your taxes correctly. I'm not a public accountant, certified public accountant. I don't have my license, so I highly recommend talking to an accountant. But track all your miles. I will just say track your miles, track your receipts. You can get a good tax deduction if you do your taxes correctly. But again, talk to an accountant on that. Other ways, just using your own, like these are just all, those ones are like more the secrets, and then more generally is like doing oil changes every 3,000 miles. Don't wait till 5,000 or 6,000. Making sure your tire pressure is fully filled up. That way you're getting the best gas mileage per gallon. Being super friendly, talkative to your passengers so you get more tips. I know it does get tiring for us introverts to be talking all day, but hey, if you want to do that, you can trade your energy for money, okay? Cool. Other ways is just driving during the peak hours, which peak means like when it's busy out. Yes, Friday, Saturday night. I know some of you guys don't like dealing with drunks, but hey, that's where the big money is because you get surge rides. That's it for today's video, guys. Those are my ways on making extra money. Yeah, that's literally all I do, guys. I don't drive around looking for rides. After I drop off a passenger, I sit, park, and wait to get my next ride. I'm very basic, minimal on what I do, and then I try to find a bunch of little ways to make money. That way, at the end of the day, I'm making a lot of money because it's a bunch of little ones added up. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will talk to you all soon. I gotta go. Why? Because I'm freezing. It's less than 60 degrees in California, and it's in the dead of winter, so I'm cold. That's really cold for us. All right, I'll talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.